Okay, this is my last in the food series here that we're going to show you. ZIPPO check. You know watch check, right? People do. Oh, watch check. I'm wearing my Hamilton khaki Junker watch with a day-date complication. There's my Junker watch right there with the day-date complication. Oh, ZIPPO check. There's my ZIPPO that I bought I purchased this ZIPPO in Los Angeles. It's supposed to be a military grade stainless steel. Apparently it's a little bit thicker. This one's made in the USA, in the usual place. The ones in Canada are all made in Niagara Falls, I believe. This one was made in the USA, right here. I believe it's made in, does that say Philadelphia? Anyway, doesn't matter. ZIPPO check. Yep, ZIPPO works. Whoa, I'm just about burning my fingers here. Works good. Lights right away. There we go. ZIPPO check. Now let's watch that video. See if we can get this turned on here. See if we can manage this for you. Start the show. There's his so-called German potato salad. And if I just go up here,
who gives a shit about his potato salad?
There's his roast in the smoker, in the barbecue, and I think he smokes it and then he barbecues it.
No, that potato salad looks
like
good.
That.
Look yummy.
Yeah. He's really proud of that smoker and barbecue he made. It's good to see those guys are eating. It's hard to do this with one hand while videoing it.
Can't believe how much they're eating nowadays.
I'm a dumbass.
What a dumbass, eh?
I want to show you that again. Yeah, there's his meat. There's his meat.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's poking in it.
I'm not sure if that's the smoker or the barbecue. It looks like the smoker.
He pokes a
yummy
steel thing into it to cook it. I'm not. Oh, maybe that's going to measure the temperature of it. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask him. Okay, that's all, folks. ZIPPO check. Yep, works good. Never leave home without one. Trust a pro. Goodbye.